Hello all, hope you are doing good. Today I have brought up this video to make you understand the basics of what happens in your vehicle when you start your vehicle and what happens when you press the accelerator, brake and the clutch pedals. That too in a term where everybody can understand. I'll also take you through why it is necessary to press your clutch pedal before you change your gears. So let's start. So here I am in the driver's seat of our vehicle. What I first do when I first sit in the driver's seat is press the brake pedal here. After pressing the brake pedal, I put down the handbrake that is on. And then I press the clutch pedal here and bring the gear lever to neutral. After bringing the gear lever to neutral, I start the vehicle. So once you have started the vehicle, you change the gear or you put the gear to the first gear and you drive the vehicle. In this whole procedure, we never tend to think what is actually happening in the vehicle when we are pressing the clutch, accelerator or the brake, or when we are changing the gear lever. So to understand that, we need to first understand the basic layout of the vehicle.
Now let's see the basic layout of a vehicle. We need to know the sequence of how the aggregates are assembled and the power is transferred. We all know that every vehicle has an engine. The engine is then connected to something called the clutch. The clutch is in turn connected to the gearbox. The power generated in the engine is transferred to the gearbox through the clutch. The gearbox is in turn fitted with a rod-like structure called a drive shaft. Now, have you ever seen a rotating rod under a truck when the truck is moving? If yes, that is the drive shaft I am talking about. In the smaller vehicles, the drive shaft is generally not visible. The drive shaft is then connected to the axle of the vehicle. This drive shaft transfers the power to the axle, and through axle it is transferred to the tires by which the vehicle gets its motion.
Now that we have understood the layout, let's come to the main intention of the video. Remember how people used to start this generator? There used to be a handle which was rotated fast in order to start the generator, right? It is the same concept that is being used in a vehicle to start it. The only difference is we use an electric motor instead of a handle to reduce the effort. If you see in the screen, as soon as we rotate the ignition key, the starter motor rotates the engine till it starts. Now since it is an electric motor, we need a battery supply. Battery supply to run it. And that is the reason why vehicle do not start when the battery is down. You got it, right? So it's already been 3 minutes in the video now. I'll keep it short. In the next video, I'll talk about what happens when you press the accelerator, brake and the clutch pedal. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.